In a world where electricity barely exists,
Huh? What is this? Why is it glowing?
people would trade anything, just for a few seconds of charge. But one man had the last working charger on Earth. He became powerful, respected, almost untouchable. Everyone needed him, but no one had ever seen his phone, until one day, the crowd demanded the truth.
How do you make these types of 2D animation shorts using only free tools? So without any nonsense, let's jump straight into the tutorial. As you know, on Joseph's, you get completely free AI prompts, and you also learn how to create these videos totally free. For this video, you will get the universal prompt in the description and also in our Telegram channel, the link to which is in the bio. Inside the prompt, the first section is the concept prompt, which you will use to generate ideas. First, copy the concept prompt, then go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and click Run. After that, ChatGPT will give you highly creative and viral style ideas where you will understand the starting hook and the twist of the story. From there, you can select any idea you like. If you don't like the ideas, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 5 or 10 more ideas. And if you already have your own idea, you can tell ChatGPT to generate ideas related to that as well. So this is a totally universal prompt. You can use it for any type of concept, character, or story. Now let's move to the second part of the prompts, which is a master prompt. Copy the entire master prompt. Inside it, you will see in the first line that it says enter your selected idea here. Now go back to the same ChatGPT chat. From the ideas you generated, select the one you like. If we choose the 9th idea, just copy that idea completely and paste it into the concept section of the master prompt. After pasting, click on Run. As soon as you run it, ChatGPT will generate everything for you. In section 1, it will explain the full story. In section 2, it will give you scene-by-scene image prompts which you will use to generate images. After that, in section 3, it will provide video prompts for the same scenes. And in section 4, it will give you the full voiceover script scene by scene. So you don't need to do anything manually because everything is already prepared for you. Now we will start with image generation. For this, we will use Google Flow, and you can use its free version. You get around 100 images per day, which is more than enough. Just create a new project, then copy the image prompt for scene 1 and paste it there. Make sure you select the image ratio as 9:16, and choose the model Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro, whichever is available. For outputs, I recommend selecting 2 images so you have options to choose from. Generating images costs 0 credits, so you don't need to worry. After generating, you will get a couple of images. Choose the one you like and download it in 2K. Then go back, copy the image prompt for scene 2, and repeat the same process. Follow this exact method to generate images for all scenes. If at any point the generated image looks different from your theme, you can upload any previously generated image as a sample image and reuse the same prompt. This helps maintain consistency by locking the seed. Once all images are generated, we move to video generation. For this, we will use YouTube Create. You can create 15 to 20 videos totally free from one account here, and the good thing is that it uses Veo 3 model for video generations. Open the application and click on the Generate Video option. You can use free accounts to generate multiple videos, and if you hit the limit, you can use other Gmail accounts as well. First, upload your scene 1 image, then go to ChatGPT and copy the corresponding video prompt from section 3. Paste it and also remember to type "No dialogues" text at the end of every prompt and click Generate. After some time, your video will be ready. Click on Use Video and then export it. Export in 2K resolution with 30 FPS. After exporting, go back again, upload the second scene image, copy the second video prompt, paste it, and generate. Repeat this same workflow for all scenes. Sometimes you might see an error saying something went wrong, please try again. Just click on Try Again. This usually happens because of high load on the AI, and it will start generating again. After generating all videos, keep in mind that you can generate up to 20 videos on a free account. If needed, you can use another Gmail account to generate more. Now we move to the most important part, which is the voiceover. This is the key section that helps with monetization, and this content is 100% monetizable. The voiceover script is already provided by ChatGPT in section 4. What you need to do is copy all the scene dialogues one by one and paste them together into a single paragraph. After that, cut the full script and go to a voice generation website. For this, we will use ttsfree.com, which is completely free. After logging in, you will get 2000 credits per generation, and you can generate audio unlimited times per day. The only limit is that you can generate up to 2000 characters at once, which is enough for a good length story. Paste your full script there, then select a voice model. For storytelling, I recommend selecting English Canada and choosing the Liam male voice. Once selected, click on Convert Now. After a short time, your voiceover will be ready. Download the audio file. Finally, import all your video clips into any video editing software, and then import the voiceover you just created. Match the voice lines with the video scenes. You can take reference from the scene-by-scene script provided by ChatGPT to align everything properly. Once everything is synced, your video is ready. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.